So went the dart gun from Amazon. Here's another Amazon package. And that label's just there to hide, obviously, identifying stuff. What the fuck? Okay, so just ordered from Amazon. As I stated in the last video, stainless steel knife, new, made in China. It is new. Wow. And it's quite heavy, so any claims that it's like a trainer would be wrong. It's a butterfly knife, and it's sharp. Actually, it's pretty sharp. Oh no, there are screws. So yeah, it's pretty good quality for $15 on Amazon. Now, unfortunately, this is known as a gravity knife as well, because it could be opened with the use of gravity, which is bad for some reason, I guess. So these are very, very legal. Yet Amazon is fulfilling them from their warehouse and selling them, shipping them to people. They have a warehouse full of these right now in Ontario, probably across Canada, in all their warehouses. Good job, Amazon.